Greetings to all the teachers and a very happy Teachers' Day. There's a saying that goes that a teacher takes a hand, opens a mind and touches a heart. Too often, we climb through life without a look back to express the connection we feel with others and the gratitude we feel for their presence in our lives. But I strongly feel that every individual should have the feeling of gratitude. Words are powerless to express my gratitude to you, my wonderful teachers. Thank you for teaching us more than what was in your lesson plan. Thank you for teaching us life lessons. Thank you for staying behind to help every student who had doubts. Thank you for making us do our best. Thank you is a very small word in front of all that you have done for all your students. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to all the professors and a very happy Teachers' Day.
Hi, I'm Yasharaj from Junior College Batch 2018 to 2020. I wish all the teachers of St. Andrews College a happy and a safe Teachers' Day. I am very grateful to all the teachers who made my junior college memorable. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello teachers, wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for always helping all the students around you. There was never a time when I ever felt uncomfortable or like any weird feelings to ask for help. Thank you so much for always being there. We've had such amazing memories and many more to grow. You've always helped me to grow into a better human being and given me so much of experience and so much to learn from. Thank you so much. Love you all.
To all the teachers in St. Andrews who have been so kind, so generous and so supportive towards us, because whenever we have asked for your help, you have always been there for us. On behalf of 12B Arts, I would like to wish all of you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Thank you for your love and guidance. A very big thank you for all the memories that you have given us in the past years. I hope this makes your day a little more special, and we miss you all and we hope to see you soon. Happy Teachers' Day.
Hi there teachers, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. It is said that our parents gave us life and it was you who taught us how to live it. You all introduced us to honesty, integrity, passion and most importantly, character to our life. Therefore, on this special day, it is only just that we give a little bit back to you by saying a big thank you. So once again, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day and hope to see you all as soon as possible.
Hello, I'm Chris Mistry. I was the boy CR of class 12B Science. Wishing all the teachers a happy Teachers' Day. You made our college life amazing. You made learning a great experience for us. I'm blessed to have such wonderful teachers. May God bless you all abundantly. Happy Teachers' Day.
To dream big and all the resources to achieve it. You are a blessing in our life. And therefore today, I celebrate you for being dedicated, sincere, hardworking and the wisest person in the classroom. I am and will always be grateful to be a student under you. Happy Teachers' Day. God bless you.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers. Thank you for always being there for us. You all have impacted our lives and inspired us more than we could possibly imagine. Thank you for molding us and shaping us to be better adults. I personally think that being a teacher is a noble profession as you all impact young students' life to become better. We love you a lot and hope you keep continuing this good job. May the good Lord bless you abundantly. We love you. Happy Teachers' Day!
Happy Teachers' Day to all the teaching and non-teaching staff of St. Andrews College. In the 2 years that was there in the junior college, I will definitely miss of how the teachers have been so energetic and enthusiastic, not only so that we could learn the subjects that they taught, but also motivated us to go beyond the box and participate in extracurricular activities and not only take the events that we could participate in, but to think out of the box and bring new talents up. It has been so motivating that you guys have always been a very big support system for us throughout our learning years. We will definitely miss you as we leave 12th standard and enter a new year where we'll have new teachers, but we definitely expect they'll be as good as you guys are. We will definitely miss how we used to have fun times and how you used to be little strict so that we could be better. And so far you are the coolest teachers I've ever seen. I'll definitely miss Andrews a lot and all the teachers. You never made us feel empty in our second home. You were just like our mothers, totally nurturing, caring and loving. We will definitely miss you, teacher.